So far, what is the best thing you've gained from the program?
Well, actually, I'd say a number of things. A greater understanding of credit. I feel that
It seems like Ray Reynolds is helping you a lot.
very much so.
So you attended the summit this year?
So I've gained really a greater understanding of credit, how it works, how to improve your score, how to keep it. My score now has gotten to a level that is a good level that we want to keep it at. He taught me a number of things. 29% rule.
Hello, what's your name and where are you from?
Good morning, Sydney. My name is John Luchansky, and I reside in Venice, Florida, on the west coast of Florida.
Are you currently incorporated?
Yes, I have a lengthy business background, and I've had a corporation here in Florida since 2012, and it's mainly for my insurance business. I own an insurance agency and part of another insurance agency here in Florida.
Can you tell us anything else about your background before you joined the Ray Reynolds program?
Yes, I educationally, I've studied business. I have an undergraduate and also a master's degree in business, and I've spent the past nearly just shy of 40 years in business. I was in the information technology industry for about 16 years. In the last 21 years, I've been in the insurance business. I own, like as I mentioned earlier, a health insurance agency here in Florida, and so mainly a business background.
That's amazing. When did you join the Ray Reynolds program?
I joined back just earlier this year. It was the second week of March in 2025.
Wow, you're a new client.
I am. I heard about Mr. Reynolds. I listen to Fox News Radio on Sirius, mainly when I'm in the car, and heard the ad over and over. And it will probably get into some reasons why I joined, but I became aware of it through the radio.
Wow. So far, what is the best thing you've gained from the program?
Well, actually, I'd say a number of things. A greater understanding of credit. I feel that it's kind of overlooked, especially in schools. I wish that there was credit courses when you're in high school and certainly in college, but it's kind of taken for granted. And even as a business person, I made mistakes with credit. So I've gained really a greater understanding of credit, how it works, how to improve your score, how to keep it. My score now has gotten to a level that is a good level that we want to keep it at. He taught me a number of things. 29% rule. Which is known to the clients. And also he's taught me quite a bit about business structure. I have a new project going outside of insurance, and he's helped me with that to form the business structure and using his divisioning process, which is a very good thing to be aware of. And also the use of not-for-profits. I'm going to have a not-for-profit alongside my new venture to help gain additional funding. So I've learned quite a bit from him.
It seems like Ray Reynolds is helping you a lot.
Very much so.
So you attended the summit this year?
I did. It was actually my second summit. I did one, I believe it was back in the spring, and I did one just around Labor Day weekend just recently, both online. And if he does any future ones, I think it'd be valuable for me to attend in person.
Mm-hmm. What was the most impactful thing you learned from the summit?
Well, again, it was a lot of it was kind of some of the things I've said that have helped me throughout. He repeats during the summit, and it's very good to hear it over and over again. He likes to say, you really need to hear something 8 times before you really understand it. So again, it's all about the credit, personal and business credit, how to get your score up to where it needs to be, maintaining it. Also, he did a lot with the business structure as well, which really is helping me with my new venture and also the use of not-for-profit. So really, he covered a lot of that in the summit, and it's always very helpful to hear it again.
Mm-hmm. Are you currently looking into partnering with Ray or auto income program?
Yes, funny you ask. It's a new project that we're doing. I am now officially enrolled in the coaching program. I've had 2 coaching calls with him, and it's gone very well. We've got one coming up next week, and I actually am in process to be in the auto income program. We're going to be working on it. It's about a 4-month cycle to get involved in your first auto income project with him, and I'm in that process now. I think I'm in the 2nd month, so it's something that I'm looking to do with him long term, and something I really appreciate that the opportunity to participate.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and then I have one final question.
Okay.
Do you recommend this program to others?
Oh, absolutely. It's been invaluable for me. Just briefly, I had a situation where my personal scores had dropped unbeknownst to me. I had a credit card that I really wasn't using, a zero balance, and I was unaware that there was going to be a new annual fee, and it was charged to my card. I wasn't getting the statements sent to me, and my scores plummeted on each bureau 100 points. And that was the first step in my reasoning to call
Mhm.
the Ray Reynolds company was to get help with that, and certainly that was addressed. And we've got that score up to where it needs to be. And I've learned so much about credit. It's really invaluable for anyone. You don't have to be in business. You just have, personal credit, whether you're a doctor, lawyer, or whatever profession you're in. It's very important to maintain good personal credit. You're trying to buy a house, you're trying to buy a new car, things like that. It's invaluable to anyone. So I definitely highly recommend it. It's something you have to be diligent about. You're going to have things to do. He'll give you things to work on, and you really need to do them to make it effective. But I think anyone really should, in terms of their credit, should really look at this program.
Mhm. Well, we love to hear your story. It was very impactful. Lots of
Thank
knowledge
you.
from you.
Thank you very much.
Well, thank you for letting us interview you today.
It's my pleasure. I'm really happy to be a Ray Reynolds client.
Yes. Thank you, John.
Have a good day, rest of your day, Cindy. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.